10 heartwarming facts about the human body that will make your day. Did you know that when your face blushes, the lining of your stomach blushes too? It gets shy too. Did you know that your body emits a tiny amount of light that's too weak for the eye to see, but you're literally glowing? Hugging for 20 seconds or longer is proven to increase your body's levels of oxytocin, which is known as the feel-good hormone. When you listen to music, your heart rate can match the rhythm of the beat. Just like fingerprints, you have a tongue print that's unique to you and you only. Did you know your brain works overtime when you sleep? It's extra busy getting rid of harmful waste material that was accumulated throughout the day. So give it enough time to do its job during its night shift. Information travels through your brain at the speed of 268 miles per hour. We're all literally quick thinkers, and our brain storage capacity is unlimited. So you have an infinite amount of space to keep learning. It has been proven that smiling lowers your stress levels. But here's the cool thing about it. It doesn't matter if it's real or you're faking it. Scientists estimate that your nose can recognize 1 trillion different scents. So go out, smell the flowers, smell the leaves, breathe in that oxygen, and let's be grateful we have this amazing vessel we call the human body. I hope this video put a smile on your face. Have a great day.